if you're not, welcome back. So, in this video, me and my friends went to an ecotourism site, and yeah, I had so much fun there and experienced a lot. I hope you like this video and enjoy it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my another vlog, which is, it will be ecotourism. Right now it's already 8:13 in the morning and it's already Sunday. Now I'll be going to a ecotourism site, which is potentially intriguing for me. Like, intriguing din siya. Okay, first time pag yun akong gadto. So yeah, let's see kung ang sa katsada atong ecotourism. Dito akong magsaba. Kanya na, para ma-surprise mo. Let's go! Hi, River.
Magtulisik na ba guys?
Gatalit na gid.
Nara kay payo.
Ilang ka bo?
Document.
5, 6, 7, 8. 120.
Hi. Hornbill! Is that hornbill? So hey everyone, so we're here in Bukidnon Zoological Zoo in Malaybalay City, and you can see here different kinds of animals, birds, reptiles, and monkeys. Be with me right now and let's see what we have here. Hello! Or Mindanao Hornbill.
I wanna be a
Natali ni siya ka ng magical. Kailangan na to sunugon para musiga. Golden Fisan.
pigeon. Ano siya dapat tagan mo daw siya. Ano
Sige. Okay.
Ay, nara girl.
Na?
Kilid.
Ay, ito.
Amat.
Taro.
Ma'am, saya sa kapunan ng isa. Tapos 10 kilos. Ulangan.
Sige lang, kina-training naman ka. Ginuo ko, uy!
Bis naraon ta sila sa wild ba?
White tiger vibes.
Nakuha na niya, uy!
Terus ang ba?
Shit, teddy bear! Pushit! Kurang head! Hi guys. Nanta sa... sa ostrich! Tulugoy! Philippine brown deer. Identifying object.
lang para malay horseback riding.
Dol kay la. Na.
Dito isa lingkod isa sa tunga. Ayun, nagbayad na sila. Pakyo na 500. Oh.
Hi guys, so update, we are here and gina-construct pa nga tulay around sa Kamulan Park, and as you can see it is surrounded with diversity like trees and grasses. Di ka mamumo kung sakat ka?
Si madam, magulan ako. Bureau of Environmental Natural Resources.
So karon day pauli na mi. Nahuman nami dinhi sa Kamulan Park sa Zoological Zoo. So yan, munday ning dalan. Pa-incline na siya, girl. So, or what that kitsara kayo. Sirat. Uy, sabok.
Bayag ba din no?
Payag lagi. Alright everyone, we're gonna do some recollections atong trip or vlog or video basta. It's recollection time. So after that trip, I realized I really enjoyed it and it was nice kay nakagunit ko og halas since first time na ako makagunit og halas is kindergarten pa ko, so it's been a lot of years na nga niagi. So yeah, I really enjoy that trip, and it was nice to have a bonding with my friends and also bonding with the native animal species we have in the Philippines. And yeah, and it was great also kay nakagunit ko to halas since I was a kindergarten. Last na ako nakagunit. The zoo and also the Kamulan Park was great. If you are a first timer or if you are a first time na mga visitor or tourist, Kamulan Park and Zoo is such a great and recreational site nga madtuan nimo, especially makita ang gini mong mga native nga species sa Philippines, and also maka tour around ka sa Kamulan Park with see a lush of pine trees and some ako pong nabantayan is some na ga jogging dito, so it was a great for exercising. The entrance fee is also reasonable enough. Sa zoo, the Kamulang Park and then the Bukidnon Zoological Zoo is surrounded by tong something stream. So nakita to ninyo ganyan sa vlog. It was great kaya surrounded pa siya og stream, and yeah, it was really a natural attraction. But then there's also a downside of this site, because number one, as you can see sa vlog, some labels sa mga species kay na-erase na siya or wala na gud siya mga labels. So if you're a first time visitor dito, it's kinda disappointment nga dili nimo balan nga kind of species kay na-erase na ilang names. So yeah, sana pagtuunan nila ng pansin katong park. Di na ito malikayan sa mga zoo na nagit tayo mga animals nga dili native sa Philippines. Kapil sa zoo like katong ostrich and lion. So I hope in the future dili sila mag-focus sa inana, and then mag-focus gid sila atong native sa Philippines para gid na something catchy or something unique sa ilang zoo. Sa ilang conservation efforts, I really appreciate them. Kamulan Park itself, nag-represent gid siya as go together nga place, maka-exercise ka, maka-spend ka time sa mga friends and families and such. And also, with the Kamulan Festival, kaganiya nga nakita niyo sa vlog, it was great also nga dool siya sa zoo and then sa Kamulan Park. So nice, something like multiple na mga recreational area. As you can see also sa vlog na yung mga katong mga balay. So kato sila ang mga 7 tribes, mga culture tribe sa Bukidnon. Represent siya katong 7 houses. It was great kay gi-preserve gid nila. So yeah, I really enjoy different nga realization, different nga experiences, different feelings I've got during the tour. Happy at the same time, it's kinda sad kaya makita niyo sila nga nakakulong gid sila sa zoo. But yeah, it's part of their attraction and we can't do anything about it. So yeah, thank you for all who's watching this, and I really hope nga nag-enjoy gid mo sa vlog. And yeah, see you on the next vlog.